Hi there! Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you'll stick around and paint this intuitive abstract floral. Today I'm using Artist Loft tube watercolors. I'm also using a size 6 cat tongue brush by OOKU and just a plastic palette knife. I have my ceramic watercolor palette and a dish of water. Let's get started. So I want to do a bit of abstract today, and ideally I'd like to have something that evokes the idea of flowers. But I do want to keep it very wet, very abstract feeling. So I'm taking my palette knife and I'm using the side of my palette knife and dipping it into this sap green. And I'm using the edge rather than the back of it. So just running this edge over. Just clean that off a bit. And now I'm taking my violet and using just the same type of technique. I am taking some pigment, just using the mostly the edge of my brush, sorry, the edge of my palette knife. And these three areas that look like they would make good flowers. Get that cleaned off, and then go into this yellow ochre. Okay, just get that all cleaned off, and then I think I'll use my size 6 cat tongue. It's a nice pointed brush, that nice pointed filbert instead of rounded, and just using the tip of it, just starting to wet and activate some of this pigment, but trying to keep this very loose, just very abstract. Okay, and then go into this purple, this violet, and I'm just taking my brush that has been dipped in the water for this. And these could be maybe irises, they could be just anything really. Well, I guess it couldn't really be anything, but then just sometimes pushing a little of that pigment if I need to. Just want this very loose, very wet. And I'm going to try to pick up this violet that I kind of transferred over into that ochre, and then maybe activate some of that ochre. So much fun, and such an easy way to really experiment and stay relaxed, I think. Because, you know, you're just trying a technique, you're just playing, really. I prefer to start my water outside of the pigment area and kind of brush into that. And then just let it do its thing. And I think I would just probably mostly let that dry and, you know, not really do anything else. I might push a little of this sap pigment here and there, but some of it I really like, that I have some of those dark areas, kind of looks like texture on the leaf or stem. How fun. Just a fun little technique. I hope you enjoyed that today. What a fun little thing to do, even just to loosen up. This would be a great little get started with your painting. Loosen up, have your shoulders nice and relaxed, and relax your wrist. Just kind of get your rhythm on all of that, and see how expressive and beautiful even just an intuitive and simple little practice could be. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and as always, happy painting.